My name is Liam Messam. We live in Hamilton, beautiful Kirikiriroa, with my wife and my 2 sons. So I found this home and we just came to the open home and found a love of it. I've always loved old character homes. What inspired me to do the reno was that my 2 children growing up very quickly and sharing 1 bathroom with my wife. So we needed a bigger place. We needed to make sure that we had enough room for everybody. I have a lot of family and friends over for food. So just, we might as well do it properly and make a big area where everybody can come and enjoy. Usually the place I love to gravitate is the couch. But with the new extensions and the new parts of the house, I love the new kitchen. Not that I cook often, but I do love cooking and I love our new appliances, and that'll give me the opportunity to make some flash dishes. What made us choose Resene paint was that we wanted to do it properly. We wanted the best. Resene's the best, and we wanted Resene Alabaster, so it came out really well. We really love the colour. Just this white and the darker roof colour, which is Resene slate on the skirting boards and whatnot. That's really just going to make the house stand out, give it that fresh look. Something about white and black just really goes. Yeah, I'm a big fan of always supporting local brands, and obviously Resene with the proud history where they come from, starting off in the garage. That really pulls on my heartstrings. Here in Aotearoa, we have the best products, the best everything, so I'm more than happy to be helping and promoting New Zealand brands and everything I do with my lifestyle. But I got the eye. I feel like I got the eye, and if rugby coaching doesn't pan out, I truly believe that I could be the next best Resene painter.